Now moving on to the lactic acid system, which is the final area. So the lactic acid system has the ability to release energy in order to resynthesize ATP energy without any input of oxygen, and therefore this process is called anaerobic glycolysis. Glycolysis has the meaning of breaking down of carbohydrates, and this causes the formation and buildup of pyruvic acid and hydrogen ions. Anaerobic glycolysis is the transformation of glucose into lactate when small limited amounts of oxygen are available. When sufficient oxygen is not present in the muscle cells, for more oxidation of pyruvic, it is regenerated by reduction of pyruvate to lactate, and therefore it can work again. When the ATP and PC stores have run out of energy, the needs of the body that it's requiring are often provided by the lactic acid system. This system is related on the breakdown of glucose, which have been stored in the muscles as glycogen. When this is broken down, energy will be released, and this process is where glucose is broken down and then released as it's called glycolysis. As you can see by these graphs, which were taken for the multi-stage fitness and the Wingate experiment, the lactic acid content in the blood is very low at rest because the muscles haven't produced it due to the needs that it has. However, during the exercise, which is seen through the multi-stage fitness as L4, it increases, and then post-test it's very high because it needs to be taken away after, and this is used in many sports. Once people start getting fatigue and ache in their muscles, this is usually the lactic acid building up. So yeah, but this has been my presentation. Thanks for listening, and yeah.